Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering credentials and opening your encoder. Enter the Rtmp server URL and the stream key provided by the platform. This pairs your encoder to the destination. Once done, set encoder output. Choose H, 264 video, AAC audio, and target bitrate matching your upload speed. Make sure to select the correct resolution and frame rate for the platform. Don't forget to save the profile. This prevents retyping keys each time. Now you're ready to configure advanced connection settings. Next, you fine-tune encoder settings to ensure reliability. Input the server URL and stream key into the encoder's streaming panel, then choose your bitrate. Match it to about 70% of your upload to allow headroom. Set keyframe interval to 2 seconds and pick a CPU preset that balances quality and performance. Once configured, start a local recording to verify audio/video sync and quality. If the platform supports it, enable low latency modes. When satisfied, start a short test stream to confirm connectivity. Finally, begin streaming and validate the link on the destination dashboard. Click Start Streaming in your encoder. Watch the platform preview for video and audio. If you don't see anything, stop and re-enter the server URL and stream key exactly. Copy/paste avoids hidden spaces. Once done, check firewall and router outbound rules and try a wired connection. If frames drop, lower bitrate or resolution. A last tip, restart the encoder and platform session. That often clears transient handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.